Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we're going to learn how to add some text and some sound to your animation. So as you can see, we've got our sprite here, we've got our code, and if we press the green flag, the sprite is able to change through the 4 different costumes so we can see our actions. If you wanted to, you could actually add a loop into that. We might do that later on, but we're going to work on the text next. So in this case, we're going to add a new sprite. So we're going to choose to create the sprite using Paint Tool. We're going to choose the text option here, and we're going to select a color to have our text written in. I'm going to choose a nice blue color here, maybe purple. And then click on the canvas wherever you want to start writing your text, and then you can copy your text and paste it in from your Word document, or you can type it yourself. Personally, I'm going to just cheat a little bit here. I'm going to use the copy and paste option. You can see the text on your stage there. It is transparent, and it's also in a weird position. Well, first of all, let's fix the position. We're going to use the select tool, and perhaps we're going to shrink that text a little bit from the corner. Notice I'm not shrinking it from the sides, otherwise you end up with a bit of a squashed looking text, and we don't want that. So we just move it from the corner, nice and easy there. Get a nice size and position on your stage. Have a look at the stage on the right to see where it's going. See if we can read all that text. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do, because you can't really see behind on this one, I'm going to add a nice rectangular box to go behind it. Choose a color that complements the text color. Okay, and then just draw the box out. Now the box is at the front, so we're just going to move it to the back by using this option here. There you have it. We've got some text on the page as well now, so nice text to support our animation. When we press play, that's the text that shows up there. You may want to add more costumes for that text so that it can also change costumes as the costume changes for our character. Next up is sound. So going back to Ben, we're going to select Ben. And you can see on the sounds tab here, I've been busy recording some sounds for the different phases. It's very easy to do. You can bring in sounds that you want to use from their library by clicking the plus and choosing a sound. There are lots of sports sounds and other types of sounds available. Okay. Alternatively, and this is what we're going to work on today, is you can record your own sounds. Okay, recording a sound is very easy. You get this option box, click on record, start talking. So this is a sound sample. Press stop when you're ready. You can adjust where the sound starts and where it ends. Click save. And there you have it, there's your sound. There are other settings you can change on the sound, and you can change the name of the sound here, so whatever phase sound that is. Change the name at the top. This makes it very important to select the sound when you are coding it, because we are going to code the sound into our animation. If you don't like the sound when it's selected, you want to start again, and you don't want it part of your animation, you can just click on the bucket there, just like when you're in any of the sprites. So on the left hand side, we're going to click on that bucket. So here's the clever bit. We're going to back in the code, and we're going to add a sound to this. So we look at the sound menu option here, and we're going to select the play sound until done. We're going to drag that into our code here and click it just after the purple option when we see costume 1, and then select which sound you've recorded, and I've got 4 there for my different phases of the skill. Okay, you can do that repeatedly for each of the different phases of the skill. Of course, I'm hoping that you're going to spend a little bit longer on yours, making sure that you record your sounds properly. And that's number 4. Notice when I've selected that, I have another option to record as well. So that's another way you can record. Okay, there we have it. We've got the 4 sounds there. We've got our four clips, 4 phases. We haven't done the 4 phases on the animation for the text, but you'll see just now how easy it is to get sound working inside your animation. Weight transfer from front foot to back foot. Sideways stance. Moves his paddle from in front of his body towards the back side of his hip. Non-dominant shoulder drops. Looking at the ball with a side stance. This is phase 1, preparation. Phase 2, action. Side stance, weight. Okay, so there you have it. Quick tutorial, how to add text and sound to your animation. Good luck, guys. Thank you very much for watching.